Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Python error, can't assign to function call, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. In Python, the error message can't assign to function call is a common error that occurs when you attempt to assign a value to a function call, which is not allowed. This error is usually triggered when you try to change the value of a function by using the assignment operator, smiley face. In this tutorial, we will explore the causes of this error, explain why it occurs, and provide examples to help you understand how to avoid and fix it. The error message can't assign to function call is a part of Python's syntax checking mechanism. It is raised when Python encounters code that tries to assign a value to a function call. In Python, function calls are considered expressions, and you cannot assign values to expressions. This is because functions are objects, and you can't assign values directly to them. There are several common causes of the can't assign to function call error. Attempting to assign a value to a function. Trying to assign a value to a function call. Confusing a function with a variable. Here are some code examples that trigger the can't assign to function call error. To fix the can't assign to function call error, you need to understand the root cause of the issue and correct it. Here are the steps to fix the error. In this case, you should simply remove the attempt to assign a value to the function call because you cannot assign a value to a function. In this case, you need to make a clear distinction between the function and the variable. Rename one of them to avoid the conflict. To avoid encountering the can't assign to function call error, follow these best practices. Use descriptive variable names to prevent confusion between functions and variables. Understand the difference between calling a function and assigning a value to a variable. When you want to call a function and use its result, use parentheses to invoke the function and store the result in a variable. Avoid naming conflicts between functions and variables. In conclusion, the can't assign to function call error occurs when you attempt to assign a value to a function or a function call. To fix this error, make sure you are using functions and variables correctly, and follow best practices to avoid naming conflicts. Understanding the fundamental concepts of functions and variable assignment is crucial to write error-free Python code. ChatGPT